Hi, I'm Chuck at Inline Tube, and today we're here to talk about 1964 to 1979 transmission and oil dipstick tubes for your Oldsmobile or your Pontiac. We carry the transmission dipstick tube in the correct bare steel, so you can paint it to your engine color, with the factory correct thickness and fit and bracket. If you're looking for an aftermarket and not concerned about the bare steel, we also carry the chrome so you can dress up the engine a little bit more. When it comes to oil dipstick tubes, we carry the correct 350 with the blue tip or the 400 or 455 Oldsmobile with the orange tip and the actual tube to go into the engine. When it comes to Pontiac, we carry the three-piece dipstick tube combination, whether it's the in the pan or in the block or the actual top with the correct bracket, all different applications from 1964 all the way to 1979.